Hello, this is DJ with ComputerBrainiac.com. In this tutorial, we will cover desktop and taskbar basics for Windows 7. First, the desktop layout. The Windows 7 desktop screen area contains two main sections, which includes a large screen area known as the desktop background, and a horizontal bar at the bottom of the screen known as the taskbar. Your desktop background and taskbar appear after you turn on your computer and log into your Windows 7 operating system. Like an actual desk, a Windows desktop acts as a surface area for your work. Since programs run on top of the desktop, the surface of the desktop is often partially or totally obscured. Again, kind of like a real desk with papers, books, a computer, or other items covering it. After opening Windows, you will likely see one or more icons, which are small pictures representing programs, libraries, folders, and other items on your desktop. You can choose which icons will appear on your computer's desktop and can move, add, or remove icons as you wish. Similarly, you can personalize your computer even more by changing the desktop background, also known as wallpaper. This can be done by changing your wallpaper to a solid color, or by adding a digital image, or even a slideshow from your own collection. Okay, now on to the taskbar. The taskbar, the horizontal bar at the bottom of the screen, contains three main sections. The Start button, found on the left-hand side of the taskbar, is used to access programs, libraries, and computer settings. To the right of the Start button, the taskbar's middle section often contains icons that allow quick access to frequently used programs, folders, and documents, and also shows which programs and files are running, making it easier to switch between them if necessary. Last but not least, the notification area, which contains a clock and computer status icons, is located on the right-hand side of the taskbar. From left to right, here's a brief look at how they all work. Left-clicking on your computer's Start button will open the Start menu, which is the main access to your computer's programs, folders, documents, and settings. Pressing on the Windows logo key on your keyboard will also open your Start menu. Once the Start menu is open, you may select from a list of items that will give you access to your programs and files, allow you to perform a search for files stored on your computer, adjust your computer settings, get help with your Windows operating system, and restart or turn your computer off. The Start menu is made up of four parts. The upper portion of the left pane shows a short list of programs on your computer, followed by the All Programs button, which when pressed will display a complete list of your computer's programs. In the lower left corner is a search box that will allow you to find files and programs on your computer by typing in relevant search terms. The right portion of the menu contains a list of commonly used libraries, folders, settings, and help support for your Windows operating system. The Shutdown button, located at the bottom of the right side, will allow you to turn off your computer, while clicking on the arrow to the right of the Shutdown button will give you additional options that will allow you to restart your computer, put it to sleep, as well as to switch users, lock your computer, and log off. The taskbar's midsection offers easy access to programs and open files. Many computer manufacturers pre-pin popular program or browser icons to the right of the Start button on the taskbar. When clicked, these will allow you to open the program quickly rather than looking for the program in the Start menu in order to open it. You can customize your taskbar by pinning programs to it for quick access as well. If you open one or more programs at a time, you might find that it's sometimes difficult to keep track of your open windows. They cover or overlap each other on the desktop, making it hard to remember which files and/or programs you have running. To help you keep track as you open programs, folders, or documents, Windows creates a corresponding button on the taskbar with an icon representing each open program. These buttons are found to the right of the Start button and pinned icons with the active window highlighted. To switch to another open program, simply click its taskbar button to bring its window up on your screen. To see previews of your open windows, move your mouse cursor to hover over a taskbar button to reveal a thumbnail or a miniature version of the corresponding window. Now on to the right-hand side. A group of small icons and a clock will be found in the notification area on the right-hand side of the taskbar. These icons communicate the status of and provide access to certain installed programs, services, and settings on your computer. For example, some icons act periodically to alert you to necessary or available software or systems updates, and others provide more frequent alerts as those that will alert you to incoming email. In addition, some icons in the notification area may occasionally display a small pop-up callout, a notification window, to tell you the status of the item that the icon represents. For instance, if you were to connect a peripheral device using a USB cable, you may see something like this on your screen. To close the callout, click the Close button in the upper right-hand corner or simply let it fade on its own after a few seconds. This concludes the Computer Brainiac tutorial on Windows 7 Desktop and Taskbar Basics. Until next time, this is DJ Jacobs signing off for ComputerBrainiac.com. Thanks for watching.